So hey everybody, and today we're gonna see this thing from like last year. So these push pop fidget toys have just been randomly blowing up last year, and I know that I'm very late, so they're like, how expensive are these? $29 for just all. Man, I could get something cheaper for that. Like $6, $8, $5, 29, 30, pretty much $30. Wow, $6, like $9. Like, so it's roughly about like $1 to $10. Well, 1 to 9. Oh wait, let's see like on Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. Jeez, I don't know here. Sorry. Push pop. Yeah. Like, it's got a push pop, but I don't know really. Like, yeah. Like, alright, what's the point in that? Like, there's absolutely no reason. Like, seriously, like, oh my god. Let's see what, like, let's see what it's gonna be like, what's the highest? $345. $1,048 bubbles. Jeez, that must be like, oh my god. What? 100,000? Alright, that's compared to a child. Like, I don't think you need that much. Like, alright, that's like, I think that's going a bit too far. Yeah, like, either like, still, like, that's like a lot. I think he just tapped down, like, I think he just tapped full accidentally. My god, let's check on eBay and see what they have, because I want to see their most expensive. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, I just, like, eBay. If we go to, like, no, what? No, huh? Yeah, eBay. Let's see. Push pop. Oh, I think I might have accidentally. Oh no. Yeah, I accidentally spelled it wrong. $119.95. Oh my god, why would you sell it for that much? Like, that's a reasonable price, right? Like, that's reasonable. But 119. Wow. Let's see what else they got on here. Let's see what their most expensive is.